Computers are also heavily used in social engineering attacks. About 90% of emails are spam.
Wow.
Every day, someone at your company receives a spam email. Those emails can trick users into sending private information to a hacker.
Right, and hackers are pros at designing these emails to look legitimate, right? They
Yeah.
have the banners and the artwork, the logos. Those emails redirect the receiver to a fake website, though, and that claims to be legitimate and records any information provided, like, a username or a password, right? Now, pop-ups trick users into clicking them by warning about an error on their computer. We've seen it all the time. When they click it to get more information or to repair the computer, they are requested to provide the network authentication. That's where it all starts. The information is then sent to the hacker.
The most common one we'll see is the ones I see are the ones getting me to change my bank information.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. And they look like it comes from your bank.
Well, you go to their page and they're so good at making those websites look exactly the same. It's hard. You got to be careful. Be careful.